Hola, ¿cómo estás?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. What are we doing today? What are we doing tonight?
Well, actually, yeah, tonight. It's actually really cold.
Yes. Whopping 40 degrees outside.
I think 30.
I have like 3 jackets on right now. It's that bad.
Anyways, so what we're doing tonight, pretty much gutting the whole entire interior. We're going to remove all the seats and then cut the carpet out because the carpet is just trash and needs to be taken out.
This carpet is so dirty. We're about to show you guys. We're also doing a giveaway. We're giving away a hat, a lanyard, and a shirt. Free stuff. All you have to do to enter is follow our Instagram, novice_garage. Like this video and subscribe. That's it. You're entered. We'll pick a winner this weekend sometime.
Yeah. And who doesn't like free stuff?
Wait, what is that?
This little jack, it's the factory jack.
It's like for a Miata jack.
Yeah, like look at this.
That doesn't quite work.
How am I supposed to use that? I literally can't take you serious with that. So we could have a really deep, serious conversation right now. I still wouldn't be able to take you serious.
I did this in the Miata repair video because what you essentially get is the ability to have a POV view where, you know, you're working on stuff and there's no need for an external microphone because you can literally talk right down to it. It looks stupid as hell, don't get me wrong.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to the Jeep.
All right, so we need some time-lapse music. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking this one.
All right, let's click on it.
That's my favorite song.
Yeah!
This is my favorite. This is the best part of the song.
He takes a deep ass breath. He's like,
that's the best part.
We're getting there. We got this side kind of up a little bit. We're having issues taking the console out. For some reason, we can't figure out how to take the gear selector off. So right now we're working around it. We're taking the carpet out in pieces. We're trying to get this console up, but I don't know how far along we can get with that without breaking anything. So we'll see what we can do. But Zach is literally just cutting pieces of the carpet and just taking it off. Yeah, as you guys can see, this stuff is gross.
Hopefully you got a good angle.
Yeah, we got the console out finally. Good damn, good. Oh shit! Got Zach in the face with it. So one thing that's funny as hell about this Jeep is that literally, like, to take this thing apart, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. It's pretty cool. All right, so we got the rear seat up, and so we got a 6-pack like little holder. We got shotgun shells.
And this is how you tell it right here, 12 gauge.
Okay, so 12 gauge shotgun shells.
Yeah.
We got cigarettes, Marlboros, and that's about it. Got some sockets down here.
Celebrity Recovery, sponsored.
What the hell? Celebrate Recovery, church-sponsored 12-step program. That's for like recovering drug addicts or alcoholics. That's funny.
Okay.
Huh. All right. Interesting. You never know what you can find, guys, in a $600 Jeep.
Yeah.
Right?
You really don't.
Got the last bit of the front carpet out, and it's about to be officially out. Look at Zach just manhandling it.
Dude, it smells so bad.
I know. It smells like a mixture of cat piss and sawdust.
Yeah.
That's what it smells like. And I'm free! Free fall!
Oh, there's water.
Gross. What is that? That just does not look good.
So that's what it looks like. Pretty solid.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm going home.
Yeah, the back is gonna be easy, dude.
Alright guys, drop a comment. Do you guys like the look of it without the console or with the console? I mean, obviously it's Zach's Jeep, but we want to hear your input. We want to get some opinions on it. I kind of like it without the console. 25% of that is me saying I really don't want to put it back on because it takes a lot of work. But the other 75% is thinking it actually looked kind of cool. So, and yeah, I removed that as well. Oh yeah, I know I mentioned earlier we were trying to figure out how to take off the gear knob. I don't know where it went, like the little, you know, gear shift. You literally just pull it up. Like it's that easy.
Yeah,
You just
pull it up.
you just give it a good pull and it comes right up. We're like,
I didn't think it would do that, but
yeah.
he was like, "Oh, you just pull it up." I'm like, "No, you don't pull it up."
It was that easy. Yep. Now the back isn't gonna be as easy because the hydraulics for the hatch are like shot completely. Like this. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah. So I can barely do this with one hand. There it goes.
Yeah, fix our problem.
Put like a C-clamp or some vice grips on the hydraulic thing. Is that what you're doing? That's ghettos. Zach's got his thinking cap on.
I actually really do. I'm trying to think of like what's the best way to do this.
What the hell?
I come prepared.
Isn't that kind of overkill?
Alright, this might have been slightly too...
I do not trust that, Zach. I do not trust that at all. That's gonna like decapitate someone.
Well, you want to put it on the lip right here?
Yeah, I think that'd be better.
Okay, hold on. Alright, just don't kick it.
Hashtag OSHA. God damn it. Alright, so we're taking this piece off. These...
Whoa. I'm sorry. I can't take you serious.
Talk to my chest, Zach. What are you gonna say?
Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest, you little... What was it? I'm grown. Say it with your chest.
Yeah. Anyways, these screws are covered in mud.
I got mine on. On removing the carpet, I found where the gas tank goes inside. There's a little bit of rust.
Oh yeah. Now we're taking out the rear seats to fully take out the rest of the carpet.
We're almost there.
Getting closer.
I think I want to save this for another day.
The headliner?
Yeah. Oh, that's up to you. It looks like it'll be pretty fucking pretty easy.
It is currently 12. If it focuses. 12:30. Gross. This is so bad. Is that a freaking spoon?
Hey, I'm sorry I leave my silverware in
Gross.
my car sometimes.
What the ah. Disgusting.
Watch your face.
Yep. Ugh.
Alright, I'll go over there and cut that.
Yeah.
This is gonna fit or not.
I don't know. Now it's garage. Will it fit?
Some houses, bro.
What the fuck? Is that corn? What is that? Or is that other sunflower seeds? No, it's corn. Corn on the cob in here, Zach. We got a whole grocery store in Zach's Jeep. Got a little bit of sunflowers. We got some chips. We got the utensils. Where's the spoon at? Disgusting. Well, the carpet's officially out. Yes.
I got vacuum it.
Oh. Looks a lot better.
Huh?
Looks a lot cooler.
I'm gonna pull the seat up again.
That's not lined up. It is now 1:38 in the morning. And we got it done. Console's back in there. This thing looks pretty cool, no carpet. With no nasty carpet in there. So, yeah. I think round liner is next. But we're just finishing up the seats. We got literally all the carpet is out except for that stuff. That's like more foam, like insulation. So, let me give you guys a shot of the hatch real quick. As you can see, completely bare. We managed to get 3 trash bags worth of carpet, so that's pretty good. So,
Nasty carpet.
I know, right? That is gonna be it for this video. Again, if you guys want to win some free merchandise, be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, like this video, and drop us a follow on our Instagram page, novice_garage. We're actually gonna be announcing the winner of this giveaway on the Instagram page, and you won't know if you won if you don't follow it. We have some really cool events coming very soon with this Jeep. I know Zach's excited. He was like sending me links to different events all last night, so.
Dude, I'm so excited. I got my new tires on the way, new headlights on the way. I got a lot of stuff for this Jeep.
Yep. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. That's it for tonight. Peace. Have a great night. I don't know what to say now.